Hey, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and we have another budget find. We are back talking about my apartment, but this time we are cleaning, and I'm very intrigued by this video. In today's video, we're going to be testing out Swiffer's new Power Mop. It is supposed to be able to replace your traditional mop and bucket cleaning. Very excited to try that out. Thank you to Swiffer for sending this. This video is not sponsored, but they did send it to me for my feedback, which is actually not for this video. It was for something else that has already been made by now. But for this video, I wanted to dive deep and show you a little bit more of the experience so we can see up close what's going on in longer format. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Now, when it comes to apartments or any type of home that you have, there's a lot of self-consciousness going on in there. Some people might be self-conscious about the size of the place that they have or the size of their apartment. Some people might be self-conscious about the neighborhood that they're in. Some people might be self-conscious about the mass amounts of stuff they have or the lack of things that they have. And then there's me, who for 3 years has been self-conscious about my floors. I know, follow me on this journey. These are my floors. Lovely design. Hard to tell, in my opinion, if they're clean or not. The same holds true for the pattern in my bathroom and in my kitchen, which are like a black with like white splatter design going on there. You would think that floors like that, you'd be like, oh, you can barely see the dirt, so that kind of works out. No, it makes you hyper focused on, is that dirt or is that the design? Then on top of that, because I dance and fitness and all that stuff, I'll lay down my yoga mat, be stretching, and then out of the corner of my eye, I'll see a hair or a dust bunny, or like, because my hair is curly, like little curly knot on the floor, and I'm like, I just cleaned. Like, how did I not see that? How did that not like get picked up? Honestly, it stresses me out. I do all the steps. I dust first, I then sweep, I then go in with my vacuum. Wood floors are so much more complicated. Like, you just can't tell. So I'm very excited to try out the Power Mop because I feel like the things that I've previously been doing is just not enough. And I'm curious to see how this one differs from your regular Swiffer. Will I notice a change while I'm using it? Specifically with the mop head, because it has so many cleaning layers, I'm like, oh, so you're gonna really like triple it up, which is fine by me because I want these floors clean. If anyone else is on that journey of stressing about their floors, comment down below so I know that I'm not the only one. Let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna grab my Power Mop, hook it up, and we're gonna get to some cleaning. First, I just wanted to do a little close-up of my floors. Yes, this is an old apartment, but like all these random scratches and stuff, you really have to get up close and personal to see if there is dirt. And yes, the answer is usually there is some. So here is the Power Mop. We are ready for 5 times the cleaning power and 300 plus scrubbing strips. Inside comes with 2 mop pads and of course batteries, which is really convenient, and the cleaning solution. So you just attach the handle so that it's sitting on top. And then this is a side-by-side comparison of the regular Swiffer. So the mop head is much bigger with the Power Mop. Anyone else study the directions first to make sure they don't mess up anywhere, but the setup is super easy. You just pop in the batteries, pop on the mop pad, and then you add the cleaning solution. Snaps into place, and that is it. It's super easy. I'll be starting off my cleaning routine the same way I always do. So I like to dust and sweep the area, also do vacuuming, and then I will go in with that Power Mop. Full disclosure, I have tiles that aren't laying flat and they stick up, and that's why you're seeing some of the casualties from the scrubbing strips. That's just the type of floor that I have. Unfortunately, it's coming up. That's pretty good for just one room so far. Let's see how the rest goes. Okay, hijacking this video very quickly because my new notebooks have come out. I'm so excited to share with you my travel journals. It comes in paperback and hardcover and also in a matte black cover. Inside each travel journal is a 2-page layout where you can track everything about your most recent vacation, as well as a highlights page. So favorite trips, favorite restaurants, landmarks that you saw, things that you maybe wouldn't do again, or things that you absolutely must. And then of course in the back you also have a page for some notes and as well as some photos. It's something that I've always wanted to create so that once you're traveling you actually have a keepsake. I also have finally created a highly requested sketchbook. A lot of you have been asking me about this. It's got blank pages on the inside, draw, create, etc. Anything that you want to do. Definitely check the links in my description box down below for anyone that loves to keep track of the things that they do and where they've been in the world, and I'm so excited to share it. Number one, I love how light it is, easy to use and easy to store. I like that this cleaning solution is already there. So once again, like I was previously spraying everywhere and then trying to like go in and clean. I like that the spraying is right before I clean. Like it's like in the moment, and then I can keep spraying around and cleaning it up. I absolutely love the smell. It's phenomenal. It makes me feel like the place is clean as well. I left my apartment after cleaning, came back a couple hours later, and it was nice to walk in the door and actually smell that freshness. So loved that. I really like that the mop pad has like the scrubbing strips and the multi-layers. I feel like that helps so much. I did have some casualties, but that's because I clearly have uneven floors. Because it was literally pulling it apart. So I'm sure many other people probably have tile on their floor that sticks and isn't coming up. It is what it is, but that's why those strips came off, because that's just the floor that I have right now. I also love that with one mop head, I was able to do my entire apartment, like every single room. I mean, it's a studio, but all the space was able to be covered with one of the mop pads, and y'all saw how dirty it was after. I actually liked seeing how dirty it was because it just reminded me how much more was able to be scrubbed up than previously. Now, looking at the website, they have a wood one. So once I'm done with this cleaning solution, I think I might test out the wood one so that I could see how that differs in any sort of way. The solution that I have now is for multi-surface, which is great. It's including the wood, but then there's one specifically for wood, so I would be interested in testing that out. And the one major thing that I really loved is the Swiffer design. That swivel head was perfect. I have many little crevices and little tiny spaces, and that mop was easy to get through and maneuver around. It was easy to get under my TV stand or on the little crevice in my bathroom. I feel like it goes further than what I was able to do with my vacuum, or even when I'm using my little brush, which yes, I know I need a adult size brush and pan, but you know what? When I moved in, I had the shorter version and I just never upgraded, but I need like one that's a little taller so I don't break my back trying to sweep. So Power Mop, y'all did that. Let's have a conversation down below. Let me know, do you have the Power Mop already? Are you about to run out to the store and get it? Do you have a challenging surface of sorts that is leaving you not confident? And what is it and how do you remedy that? I'm pretty pleased with this. If you're interested in the Power Mop, I'll have a link down below. Super affordable. If it's something that you want to check out, definitely follow the information in my description box. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm feeling much better about my floors, and again, I think mainly what it is that I love how much easier this is going to be going forward, because the mop pads are heavy duty and the solution is great, so I'm feeling good about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.